Welcome back to my another new video, and hope you all will be fine. And today I'm going to unbox the first ever mouse in my channel. Here I'm having this is Intex. You can see it is an Intex optical USB mouse, and this is very budget mouse that are available online. You can even get it from Amazon or also Flipkart. So I will be giving a review about this one. It came today from Flipkart only. So without wasting time, let us start the video, guys. As you can see, it is the Intex, and this is means basically a mouse here, and it is Intex Magic optical USB mouse, guys. So this is the basically the packing they have provided is almost it's very good, and you can see it is the Intex technical specification. It is plug and play, guys. This is make sure that this is not wireless. It is not a Bluetooth, not a Bluetooth available. It is with a wire cable, guys. So it is optical technology. It is just a very light in weight. It is mentioned 60 gram, and guys, you can see the price is rupees 180. It is extremely light in weight, and yes guys, button is very good, guys. I'm finding button is very good, and the scroll logo is also very good, and this is also the light here. The light will be of red color. Mouse is very good, and this is the budget mouse that you are available, and you can even go for the wireless mouse, but they're very costly available online, and you can also buy it from your local market, guys. So yes, I will suggest you can definitely go for this. It's not a bad one. You can see it is also the light that will be coming here, and it is of the Intex company, guys. You can see the wire is also very good. So guys, at the end, it's time for the review of the Intex that I said about Magic Optical Drive. So yes, I have used this mouse, and it was working very good. The button they have provided is very good, and the first thing, it is a budget mouse, and I will suggest yes, you can definitely go for this, but make sure that if the mouse has been dropped down by you, and it will not, it will broken it down in a species, the